So in here, this is where we're going to be doing the handstand and yoga combination event. It's going to be 3 hours. It's myself and a yoga teacher. I'll be obviously running the handstand and acrobatic section. The yoga teacher will be leading the stretch. The flexibility is so important for movement skills, for acrobatics, for dance, and it gets neglected. So by bringing in a yoga teacher, and we're going to work on our splits, our back bends, our forward folds, our shoulder flexibility, that's really going to help us with our goals, you know, for movement and handstands as well.
So my name's Ashley and I'm a yoga teacher. So I've known Ben for quite some time. I've done a lot of handstands with Ben, as I'm sure a lot of you have. And I knew that Ben was kind of thinking of doing these kind of mini retreats. And I was really interested to be a part of that. So it was really nice when he asked me to do it.
I think combining a full day of activities with yoga can really open people's minds to their body and what it's capable of. And what Ben creates is an atmosphere of feeling really comfortable and not worried if you fall over, or, you know, knowing that it takes time to learn the body and understand how it moves. So I think that a day of doing all these different things, someone's going to find some peace within in their body and how it moves, and they'll enjoy their body. So hopefully I think a day of movement and different things will bring a positive energy into everyone.
The format is 3 hours. We're doing 90 minutes of handstands and acrobatic movement, and then 90 minutes of yoga, deep stretching and relaxation. My teaching style simultaneously has a yoga and circus flavour to it. It's a little bit of both. People want to work on their headstands, their crow variations, their forearm stands, and and their scorpions, depending how flexible their back is. There's all kinds of things that people want to work on, and so I always make time in the workshop to work on those yoga style inversions. In certain locations, such as Cadbury Club and Spa, where we are now, we've also got use of the gym, the pool, the spa, the sauna, the hot tubs. So once we finish with our 3 hours of very intense training, we can enjoy the hot tubs and the sauna, and also come and enjoy the restaurant and have some foods afterwards. So I only choose very nice locations. For me, that's part of it, giving people a very special, luxurious experience. It's all part of the fun.
For me, it's been great. I've learned a little bit more towards doing some different exercises in order to be able to achieve my goal, which is to do walking handstands and push-ups. Everybody's been friendly. The atmosphere is brilliant. So yeah, fantastic.
I went to Ben's workshop that he did in Plymouth recently for handstands, and it was great. Really enjoyed it, and because I've been trying to practice my own handstands, I am a yoga teacher in Plymouth, and just wanted to learn how to progress better with them myself, and yeah, really that was it.
My main fitness is aerial and pole dancing, aerial silks, and I teach at a little studio in Newton Abbot. So Ben has come to that studio and he's done some workshops there as well. This is the second workshop that I've been to with Ben, and he challenges me all the time. I nearly successfully have my handstand, so he always looks to see what I can do next to improve it, which is good, and he's the same with all students. He really pushes us to our max.
I always make time for everybody to get photos of themselves, because that's all part of the fun, People want to be able to show their friends and social media, Instagram, what they've been up to, so I always make time for that. The kind of people that come to my handstand workshops are very often yoga people, also general fitness people come, CrossFit, circus people, pole dancers, capoeira people, dancers. I'm looking to work with yoga teachers all over the country. I'm constantly looking for new locations, new studios, places that are suitable for what we're offering. So if this is the kind of thing that interests you, get involved. Go to acrolibrary.com.